Hello, my name is Darian, the creator of Discount Plus, and today I'm going to be showing you a few of the discounts that you can make with Discount Plus to give you that extra customization or those extra conditions that you may need that the native Shopify discounts don't offer. This can be useful for running custom promotions or custom campaigns that you're running in your store and to help you increase those conversions and get those customers. So let's get started. All right, so to set up your custom discounts, you're going to want to open up the Discount Plus app. And once you open up the app, you'll see a homepage that looks like this. The discounts are broken up into three types: product discounts, shipping discounts, and order discounts. So if you want to discount specific products, specific shipping methods, or the entire order, you can choose between these different discount types. So in this example, we'll set up a product discount. And then within these different discount types, you'll see some subcategories. So a volume-based discount, a BOGO discount, free gifts. The free gifts can be used with the Checkout Plus app to automatically add a gift to the cart, the product and shipping combo discount, or a volume and the buy X get Y discount combined as well. So make a standard discount. And then once you click on that, it'll take you to the page to start setting up your discount. You'll see that it looks familiar to the Shopify native discount setup where you can select an automatic discount or a discount code, and then you can add the discount title as well as the code that the customers will put into their checkout. So then you can either generate a random code, or you can also generate codes in bulk. In this example, I'll just use demo. And then you can also set customer usage limits, right? So if you only want the customers to use this one time, or you can have them limit the amount of products that they can use with this discount. And then the next part is the discount configuration. So you can choose how much is going to be discounted off, if you want a percentage or if you want a fixed amount. And then you can also choose other settings as well as setting a maximum amount. You can also set the maximum number of products that you want this to apply to, right? So if you want two items to be discounted at 10% or one item, you can do that as well. And then you can select which products. So if you want all products or just specific variants of the product or specific collections, you can set that here. So let's go ahead and just keep it simple at all products. And then you can also decide which products to exclude, right? So if you select all products, but you want to exclude a certain collection, and then you can add the conditions. So this is what makes Discount Plus special. This is what makes the app stand out from Shopify's regular discounts because you can apply discounts based off of certain conditions, right? So if you only want to discount products that don't have a compare app price, right? So that means full price products, or you can only discount if the certain total was met or different cart attributes, if they're a returning customer, and so on and so forth. There's a lot of options in here. So in this example, I'm just going to go ahead and do the total amount. So if the total amount is 1,000 or higher, I'm going to apply the discount. So if it doesn't reach that, there will be no discount. And then you can also add a second discount group with the same discount code as well. So if you want 10% off at above 1,000, you can do, let's say, 5% off at anything below 1,000. But in this example, I'll just keep it simple and do the one discount group. And then you can select if you want the discount to be combined with other discount types. I'll unselect these just for the time being. And then you can also decide the application strategy, right? If you want this discount to apply to the product with the maximum discount or to all of them, or to the first product in the cart. And you can also just schedule when this discount runs as well if you like to do that. So once you're happy with your settings, you can click save, and then this will create that discount code for us. And it'll also track how many times it's been used for you. So let's go to our online store and try this out. So let's go ahead and add that product to our cart. and go to our checkout and then type in the code, but you can see that we set the condition for it to be above 1,000. So this discount is not going to be applied because we haven't reached our 1,000 threshold. So that's working as expected. And then let's go ahead and add two of these snowboards to the cart so we can reach that $1,000 threshold. And let's go ahead and head back to the checkout. And let's go ahead and try to add this discount code again now that we're above 1,000. If we click apply, and there we go. It added a discount. And then we also set that we only wanted one product to be discounted at 10%. But let's say we want to actually make this so it can be two products discounted at 10%. We can go in here, click save, and then refresh the page. And now both of the products are discounted. This is just one example of many that Discount Plus offers to run custom promotions for your store. Thank you for watching.